ਲਿਖਿਆ ਖਾਸਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗ ਜੂ ਮਟਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹੋ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੂਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕਿਲੋ ਸੋਚੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜੱਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਸ ਛਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੂਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕਿਲੋ ਸੋਚੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜੱਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਸ ਛਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ
Welcome back to Cryptomania, guys. And you know why I am celebrating if you watched my last video. And I want to congratulate all those Cryptomaniacs, this small growing community who held their trades, supported me, watched my last videos. Congratulations, guys, you are in some green profits. So I am celebrating, and you should celebrate too. And that's my objective always. I always want to bring the right knowledge to you, want to share what I am doing personally, and that's how this small community make profits together. So that's the objective of the channel. And if you like to make money and you like money in general, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know every time our video is out and you can gain some crypto knowledge. So let's get started, guys. As you guys can see, everything is in green. As I'm saying, I'm from the start, October is our month. Bitcoin 10.66% growth in last 7 days. Such a big amount. It requires a lot of money to move that, and I'm very happy to see such growth in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is also growing 7.97% in the last 7 days. We'll talk about what made Bitcoin come this far. We'll also talk about how Ethereum is setting itself for a massive rally if Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, which eventually I personally think it's going to break it, and it will also go way beyond. We'll also talk about PolkaDot. PolkaDot, you can see near about 20% growth in this last 7 days. We'll talk about why it happened and what it holds for the PolkaDot community. So before we get started and get into all of these details, let's look at the overall coin market cap. So if we look at the overall coin market cap, we are nearly sitting at around 2.4 trillion market cap for the overall crypto market, which is very close to the all-time high. And if that happens, I can surely tell you guys we are going to see a massive rally for most of the coins, good projects, and some meme coins if you guys are fan of meme coins. But I personally believe once market breaks the all-time high, we are in a confirmed bull cycle. So if you guys look at Bitcoin chart, it broke the 58k level yesterday and turned that into a strong support. It's nearly trading around 61k, which is really good. Things are looking really bullish, and we'll talk about what happened that triggered this massive rally. Actually, as I said, October is a good month. We were expecting that the Bitcoin will go up, followed by altcoins, and we can see that happening historically. But what is the main reason that brought this upside to Bitcoin? So it's the ETF. Finally, SEC has said that ETFs are approved and they can set to begin the trading next week. So that's a huge news for Bitcoin, because now you will see more individual investors, you will see more institutional investors, a lot of new money coming into this crypto system that could really take the price to upside. We will also look at how far Bitcoin can go and how far we can see the price of Bitcoin in this bull run. So very interesting tweet by TechDev. You can see in 2013 and 2017, when we had two double top on RSI index, we saw a massive rally. You can say it was almost 900% pump. It happened in 2013. It happened in 2017, double tops on RSI when it broke the channel EQ, and it is about to happen in 2021. So if we believe the history, if we see the history, it's going to take Bitcoin to 370k. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but this speculation or this price prediction is not out of the market yet. So we might see Bitcoin reaching so far, but I personally believe Bitcoin to go around 100 and 150,000 per coin in this bull run, but who knows? As I said, is now Bitcoin ETF is approved, you will have a lot of money flowing in. Anything is possible. Moving on, just looking at Ethereum, as you can see guys, it's also going up. Once Bitcoin goes up, you can see Ethereum also starts going up, and then other altcoins starts to pop. So Ethereum is going to set itself for a massive rally if Bitcoin breaks the all-time high. Ethereum is also going to break its all-time high. It's trading nearly about 4k, so it's inches closer to its all-time high, and I'm really watching Ethereum very closely, and I do believe that Ethereum also have a huge upside. So guys, let's look at Polkadot now. As I said in my video previously, that Polkadot had a 20% rally, and we are going to talk about what brought it. So that's the parachain auctions. It's finally going live, similar to BTC and ETF news. This was the massive news announced by Polkadot community that it's going to take their parachain auctions live. Such a good news for such a project which has very massive potential. I'm personally a fan of Polkadot, and we'll see what this brings to this ecosystem. I personally believe that Polkadot can solve the problem of BTC and Ethereum both. For BTC, the scalability issue, and for Ethereum, it's the gas fees. So Polkadot is kind of something that can solve the issues of the two main market leaders, and I personally place Polkadot in top 3 to 4 market caps in the coming future. So that's such a good news for Polkadot holders. And finally, we are going to talk about the path to all season. So a lot of people ask me on WhatsApp, they message me on Telegram that how should they maintain their alt portfolio in this bull run. So everybody knows that Bitcoin is going up, so what's next? So I want to show this amazing model with you guys, that how you should prepare yourself for all season. So phase 1 is where you see that Bitcoin is going to go up, which is going to happen, was happening in October. And then what happens is that during that time you will see some of the altcoins are dropping. That's where the Bitcoin dominance is going up. But then what happens after Bitcoin has reached a certain level, a certain top? What happens is that all that money that was made as profits in Bitcoin, it transfers to Ethereum. So you will see Bitcoin popping up. After that, you will see Ethereum going up. So that's the kind of a trend. That's the kind of a pattern market follows. So after Ethereum is having massive rally, as I said, I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to set itself for a massive rally, and that's the reason. So after Bitcoin, it's going to be Ethereum. It's going to pop. I personally see Ethereum going around above 10k in this market bull run if Bitcoin crosses 100k. So that's what happens in the second phase. And the third phase is large market caps. So all the profit that is out of Bitcoin and Ethereum go to some of the large market caps. So you can talk about Cardano, Solana, XRP. So top 10 is the coins or is the projects that will start to pop up. So that's how the money flows. So it flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum to large caps, and then you can prepare yourself and hold your positions or start your positions for some of the large caps that will pop. And at the end, you have small caps, you have micro caps, and you have some meme coins going up. So if you're a fan of Doge, Shiba, Folky, you guys are if you are holding for long, you guys should hold your position. And after the large cap starts popping up, you can expect a rally for these meme coins and small cap. So guys, we covered everything in our show today. We had an overall market look. We talked about the market cap of the overall market. It's setting itself for a new all-time high. We talked about Ethereum setting itself for a massive rally, because now money is going to flow into Ethereum and then more into the large caps. We also talked about what brought Polkadot up, the 20%, and how much potential it has after this parachain auctions. So Polkadot is a really good project you should have in your portfolio. Again, not financial advice, but do check it out. And then we talked about how to prepare yourself for this all season. I do believe that all season is going to come soon. As soon as you will see Bitcoin and Ethereum going up, you see money flowing, as I showed you in the chart, as I showed you how it works. So please just look at all these details, do your own research, and prepare yourself for more upside coming in this Q4, and maybe who knows, that it can go up to Q1 for 22 as well. So a lot of money to be made. Keep following our channel if you want to be aware about the latest updates. I will always try to bring you the latest news and my personal feeling, personal sentiment about the market, and few of the gems you should have in your portfolio for amazing profits.